Hey folks, Dr. D here. We are replacing the radio head unit in a 1997 Jeep Cherokee. What I'm doing now is there's just a little cleanup before we get started. This is sad little bit of foam here that's just hanging out and looking sad. So I'm just gonna take this off here and replace it with something else because it makes me sad. All right. All right, just a little cleanup. So here's what I have going on here. So I removed the wiring clips from the original head unit. These just pop out. It's very similar thing with a little tab here. Pull it out. I purchased an adapter on Amazon. It was very, very easy. Actually, these nicely label what these wires are to. You know, so as an example here, this is the 12 volt constant. It's the yellow, and I just attach these to the harness that came with the radio head. The only tricky part is this is the ground. This was originally attached to the back of the original head unit. What I had to do here was clip a small little spade onto the ground, plug it directly into here. I did not want to cut these wires just on the off chance that, you know, I ever want to put a new original head unit in. You know, now I can just attach this and we're all set. So I've tested this out. When I plug it into this little cheapy head unit I got, it works, which is really all I'm going for. This was about $22 on Amazon. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but it gets me radio on the way to work. So what I have here is a adapter kit that I picked up. It's from Metra. It is a 99670 is the part number. It has instructions for various installations. There's even one for the 9701 Cherokee. What you do is you take this thing and you basically remove all the little tabs except for the ones that are shaded in black, and obviously the part in the middle here. Put the head unit in there and it's going to go right here. You can see largely where these things are lining up already, which is fantastic, and that's good stuff. So we just need to do that and I think we're all square. All right folks, I'm gonna trim these bits off camera because I doubt you want to watch me do that, and then we'll assemble it and put it all together and I'll show you how it all works. Hey folks, we're back. All right, so I've installed the radio head into the holder. Make sure you get the orientation correct, because I actually didn't the first time. And so I have these little tabs that are set in there so it doesn't fall out. All we need to do now is reattach our new wiring harness. There's really only one way it goes in. Black at the bottom, that's to produce your power. White is largely your speaker setup. Organize these wires a little bit. This is our antenna wire here, and that goes right in the antenna slot. Not rocket science. All right, got that squared away. Let's tidy up the wires a little bit, and we can seat this guy. All right, so now we have our new radio situated. Okay folks, so here is our new bezel, or not new bezel, but our recently painted bezel. There are clips, as I was saying. They're going to clip down into where this goes. I believe the easiest thing to do is to clip those in first. So clip those in, and then the other ones are just clip into place, and they do. Hey folks, Dr. D here. We're back. So the bezel is installed, the radio is installed, and we are good to go. We have radio. All right, folks. Well, thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Take care. I've already popped off the center bezel. There are videos on that. If you pull from the bottom and release the clips down here, there are clips here, here, and here, and here, here, and here, and they just pop out.